nasa mga huling araw na tayo at malapit na ang pagbabalik ng ating Panginoong Hesukristo. And dadami yung mockers, no, yung mga nangaasar sa atin na kala ko ba second coming na. Tagal-tagal na, hindi pa rin bumabalik yan 1990 ano pa sinasabi yan, hindi naman bumabalik. So nakasulat din yan na marami yung magiging mockers. Well, again, yung end of the world ay nangyayari araw-araw, no, for some people because they die. And if you die without accepting Christ in your life, then that's it. That's it for you. Wala nang second chance. Dalawa lang yan eh. Kung maabutan mo na bumalik si Jesus, tapos hindi mo siya tinatanggap bilang Lord and Savior, and kapag namatay ka without accepting Jesus as your Lord and Savior.